Hi, I'm Jody Bayo, and I'm going to introduce you to Bitcoin programming and blockchain. Let's get started with Bitcoin. This chapter focuses on Bitcoin, its features, and how can we take part in the Bitcoin ecosystem. The Bitcoin ecosystem runs by its users getting, spending, and sending Bitcoin wallets. In order to understand the concepts of this chapter, you should have at least a basic understanding of the command line on the computer you are using, and you should have Python 3.x installed on your computer. In this chapter, we will look at the following topics: introducing Bitcoin and its features, introducing blockchain, attributes of blockchain and Bitcoin, how to get a Bitcoin wallet, the different forms of Bitcoin wallet including getting, sending, and spending.